Hey, I just wanted to show you how to configure Toolhouse and Supabase together in Lovable as well. So the first thing you have to do is to get the project ID on Supabase, and you just go on your Supabase and then you find this in your dashboard. Then you get your organization, your projects, settings, and this is your project ID. You just copy this and you put it back here. And then you need to get your personal access token. And your personal access token, you find it in your dashboard. So we're going to the access token. This is the access token. You can copy it. Obviously, if you don't know one, you can generate a new one. So let's call it test. And we copy it and we put it here. Now you have this URL generated. All you have to do is to click this button. And what happens is you are brought into Toolhouse and the agent starts being generated for you with the right prompt. And as you can see, the MCP server is already configured here. All you have to do is now deploy it. Perfect. And now we can actually take a look, see if it works. We can just ask something like, what's my Supabase project URL? There you go. You're going to see in a moment just the answer. Perfect. That's my project URL. I know this is working. So all I had to do now is to go back to the deploy button. And when it's deployed, you can actually get this one shot prompt and create your Lovable integration. So we go on Lovable here and you can just copy paste this. And in a second, you'll see the app being generated. And from there, you can just start adding the Toolhouse agent to your app when it's done. Hear the net sound? That's Lovable. Now it's all done. All we had to do is to just customize the interface as much as we want it. But now it's integrated with Toolhouse directly, so I should be able to ask something, the same question as before. What's my Supabase project URL? And we should be getting here the same response as before. There you go. So that's the integration between Toolhouse, Lovable, and Supabase. Enjoy it, and if you need anything from us, just come see us. We're the people from Toolhouse. See ya!